Hello, fan collectors. What I have here is a Hunter baseball ceiling fan. Yes, I got this off Craigslist for about $30 here in my town here in Memphis. Yeah, this was one of my childhood fans I always wanted. And I guess years later I finally got it. Yeah, as you notice, I had the blades aluminum on one side and the wooden on the other. And I've always liked these pull chains, where the ball right here is a light and the bat right here is a speed. I guess you could say like 3 strikes you're out. Yeah, I would have controlled this fan on remote control, but my remote control transmitter couldn't fit inside of the canopy part. And you notice up top of the canopy, it got the home plate up there. Okay, let me go and start it off on high. Yeah, I say this is one Hunter brand that will never go out of style. Okay, medium. And low. Add a little light. Yeah, nice little fan. Okay. Reverse turn. Little switch right here. Right there. There we go. Start off on high. Again. Medium. Light off. And low. And with the speed, it's like saying strike one, strike two, strike three, off. You're out. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoy it.